This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the hood safety latch outward, then raise the hood. Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the electrical connector from the coils by prying up the lock tabs, then carefully pulling the connectors off the coils. Carefully pull the ignition coils upward to remove them. Unscrew the plugs using a spark plug socket, extension, and ratchet. Apply a thin film of anti-seize compound to the threads of the plugs. Install the spark plugs hand tight, being careful not to cross-thread them. Tighten the plugs to the specified torque. Reinstall the ignition coils. Then reconnect the electrical connectors. Reinstall the engine cover.